Hey, let's learn how to graph some of these functions here, these linear functions. We're gonna learn how to graph them the easy way. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? Okay, so let's look at this. Here we got -1. What's that? That's the b. That's the b. That's the initial value. So that goes where? So let's write that down. The b is the initial value. So b equals, over here, b equals -1. So that means I can take my b, -1, and it goes right here, -1. Remember, it's the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay, so I write that down here. There's my point. And now, all I have to do is use the slope. Remember, this is the slope. 1 over 4 is the slope. So let's write that down. The slope is 1 over 4. And remember that the slope is the rise over the run. Rise over run. So the rise is 1 and the run is 4. So that means I go up 1. So how do I get my next point? I go up 1 and then I go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my next point right here. It's 4 comma 0. So I put another point here. 4 comma 0. I went again. Let's just check that. I went up 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And now remember that I can also go -1 over -4. That's also equal to 1/4. So if I start over here and I go down 1, now I'm going down 1 and left 4. So down 1, left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have another point right there. So let's put that point right there. Here we go. Oops. And now right here. And now I have my 3 points. All I have to do now is connect them. And that's my line. So let's see if I can make a line here. Connect them. There you go. And there's your line. Okay. So let's try another one. Okay, another one over here. Okay, this one here. What's my b? The b is this. 2 is the b. So right away, I know my b is here. Right there, there's a point right there. B is 2. This equals b. And now what's my slope? The slope is the coefficient of x. What's in front of the x? So here I have negative x. So there's really a 1 there. So your a is really -1. Let's go back down here. A is -1. Let's write -1 over 1. Why do I do that? So I have a rise and a run. And remember, I can also go like this and say this. It's 1 over -1. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start at where we started here. We started at the initial value. And now we're going to go down 1, and right 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. So it's a staircase like this. Let's put a point there. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down right. So that's my line right there. And if I do it using this one, well, then I'm going up 1, left 1. So let's go back to the initial value. Up 1. Oops, let's do it like this. Up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Up, left, up, left. So left means, if it's negative at the bottom, it means I go left. And there are my points. So I can just put a bunch more here. And that's my line. And now let's draw the line. It looks like that. Okay, so I didn't draw it perfectly, but it goes like that. And remember that the slope is negative. The slope is negative. There's a -1 here. That means the line is going down. The line is going down. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, this one looks difficult. Oh my God, we have a fraction, but it's all done the same way. So my b is -4. So my y-intercept is -4. So I can start by putting a point right there, -4. Okay, let's make it red. -4. Let's make it red. Let's do that. Try one more time. One last time. Red. So -4, and that's my slope. No, that's my initial value, And let's write over here, b equals b equals -4. Now what's my a? Your a is going to be 4 over 3. So it's rise over run. Rise over run. So that means I got to go up 4, right 3. Up 4, right 3. So let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There's my point right there. Let's put it there, right here. And that's it. That's all I need really to draw a line. So let's just make sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So my other point is right there. Right here. Well, I lost it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Right here. I really only need 2 points to draw a line. But let's have 3 to be safe. So I'll just draw my line like that. So it should go. I just didn't do it properly. Let's just try and get it right. Yeah, that's better. And there's your line, and it's increasing. My slope is positive, right? It's positive 4 over 3. It's a positive number, so it's increasing. Let's try another one. How many more? Okay, here's another one. Oh, okay. -3x minus 3. So here, what's the b? B is -3. So b is -3. So right down here, -3. That's where I start. So b is -3. That's a b. Let's make that nicer. So my b is -3. And now my slope is also -3. So that's right over here. A equals -3. But we want a fraction. Let's just put it over 1. So rise over run. I can also say 3 over -1. That's also equal to -3. So let's go here. Can I go down 3? Yeah. So I can go down 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. So here's what my point right here. 1, 2, right there. Second, right there. So I went down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 to the left. No, that's wrong. Because I gotta go, let's fix that. If I went down 3, I gotta go 1 to the right, okay? So down 3, 1 to the right. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right would be here. Okay, I made that mistake on purpose. I want to see if you caught it. So it would be there. Because the slope is negative, right? The slope is negative, so that means the line should be going down. The line should be going down because the slope is negative. But let's do this one. Let's go up 3, left 1. So let's go up 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 1 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 1 will be here. So there are my points, and now I'm going to connect them. Connect them with a line. See if I can get it go right through. Oh, I almost did it. So they should, with a ruler, you should connect them, and it should be a straight line. It's a linear function. Okay, well, that's how many more we have. Oh, okay, this one's easy. This one is just y equals 4. So there's no x there. So this one is just initial value is 4. So I got that there. And this is called a constant, right? This is constant. It's a constant function. So all you have to do for this one is just y is 4. So it just means that y is always 4. So I just put a bunch of 4s and y is 4. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 4, -1 comma 4. So it just makes a horizontal line like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And I connect them like that. And there's my horizontal line. So here there you have some examples of, oh wait, I think I have one more. Yeah, I have one more. Okay, look at this one. Okay, we'll do this one in the next video.